What's good, YouTube? Hey, man, I'm a little late on the segment and everything I got going on. Been talking to my mom. I'm going to update y'all on my internship. That's why y'all saw me brushing my teeth this morning. I was going to do a little cinematic get ready with me type vibe, but I'm about to check out this Mustang. So y'all stay tuned. This is the Mustang I was coming to check out. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me or not. Excuse the wind, but we're at Cross Point right now and about to definitely have somebody come out here because I do want to drive this, maybe run some numbers and check it out. Let me show y'all that GT again, just in case y'all couldn't hear me out there. But they got this Corvette. Somebody already put a deposit down on GT. It doesn't even have the dashboard I like anyways. So I'm not really too messed up about that. Police passing. Hold on. But yeah, I'm not too messed up about that. I really don't even need to be spending that type of money. But hey, man, YOLO, and I can kind of afford it. So definitely looking for a GT Premium 2019 through 2022. Under 35,000. Under 30K miles also. Clean title, clean Carfax. If I can find something like that, then it'd be cool. But back to me going to my internship and why I'm dressed like this and why I was trying to do a little cinematic intro, get ready with me. Went to my WT internship, a lot of different companies. I'll put up the list right now. Just went around talking to different people, shaking hands, getting informed about different companies. I'm a business marketing major. So, oh my gosh, look, police right there. If they get on me, they're deriding. But I'm a marketing major, so it's kind of a little bit of scarce finding a job, specifically in a marketing industry or just business, like in general. Like it's really hard finding a good job. So gotta look into different things. Companies I'm shooting for specifically is maybe like XL, Bell, Pentex. Y'all can connect me with that. Any of y'all, please do so. Please do so. Resume, decent. Experience, okay, a little bit to none, but hey, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm trying to get an internship. I can show y'all the flyers once I get home. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Nothing too crazy going on. Didn't go to work just so I could go to that expo, and now headed back home.
Hey, hold on, bro.
Bet, hold on. Bet. It's not recording yet. Let me know when you're ready.
You know what I'm saying, man? Big weights on me, man.
Yeah.
You already know the vibes, man.
Getting in, man. Right now we at True Fit. There's no hoops. Slow hoops.
I'm back with the wire.
Back with the wire. All athletes have switched back to the wire because there's something bad with your brain with the wireless. But record me real quick so I can update the vlog. Right now at True Fit, this vlog has been everywhere, honestly. I started off with like a get ready with me. Then didn't even finish that. Went to my internship, career expo. Didn't record none of that. Went to the car dealership. Couldn't get no content out of that because somebody put a deposit down on a $500 deposit down on the Mustang. Then I just bought an LS3 intake off of Camaro, so that will be going on the 6.2. I'll show that once I get back home. Right now, little orange. I'll finish my last little set on camera real quick. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, bro. I'm not a hooper. I'm nothing. I'm warehouse working, bro. Last little set. Don't judge my room. Come on, Sway.
My turn.
Come on, Sway. Let's see.
Hold on.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Hold on. Let me do it first.
Oh, my bad. Let me know when you're ready.
Hold on.
Oh,
Bro,
shit.
what are we doing?
Damn, my bad.
Damn.
Oh. Damn.
Put the...
Oh.
I told you don't go yet, gang.
Bro.
You gotta edit that out.
I just edited it, bro. It's good.
All right, hold on.
I just made the weights look bigger.
All right. You gotta edit that out and then.
All right.
Fuck, bro. You know, big
Yeah,
weights
Sway
and
just
shit.
finished his set. Y'all see me finish mine. Now we're about to do what? What are we gonna
We
do?
about to run a whole sprint around this bitch.
Shit.
Damn, twin.
Bruh.
Shit crazy, man.
Corvette Taurus. Back of my damn head hurts. Get the fuck out of me. Yeah, man. Oh no. Sheesh. This is a crazy vlog. I just gotta thank God I'm here, I guess, because but not I guess. Thank God for sure.
No,
He was
for
going
real.
fast as shit and smacked the fuck out of me. So
You ain't even see it for real.
and I'm surprised they didn't even DUI test him. So
I'm sure he been drinking. I ain't gonna lie. I know who he is. I know who that is.
I'm going fast as fuck. Damn near broke my damn skull. God damn. I'm about to be driving goddamn C8 now. Yeah. Hit me. Goddamn shoulder hurt too. Everything.
Crazy ass whip too.
I ain't telling this shit. I'm gonna fuck out of here.
You good to go whenever?
Yeah.
It ain't no joke.
Just pulled up, man.
Man, this shit ain't no joke, man. It's not a clip.
Nigga damn near smoked me, man. Hey.
Crazy story.
Y'all gotta subscribe now. See, look, that's how fast your life can be gone. For real. I'm still smelling smoke, vision blurry. I ain't being on no funny shit. But that
Nah,
nigga
for
like
real.
really rocked my damn brain. Like, then they gonna say, bro, you even run the light.
Then they gonna say, bro, it's just a story.
Then as soon as I jumped out, he gonna say, bro, my bad. My bad? Yeah, I whooped your ass. It would have been my bad, huh? Nah, yeah. Fuck that. And he had a C8 Corvette. I want Amarillo National to run the camera. Somebody got that. He got a dash camera. I know he do.
No, he do.
Run that shit. I need that.
Yeah, every time you hit the gas, it'll jerk you to the right. Every time you hit the brake, it'll jerk you to the left.
That's what this was doing. It's so crazy. I got it all fixed, then ends up getting wrecked.
I had to pay like, I think it was like $250 or $300 to fix it.
I don't think it's all the way connected. It didn't come on. So as y'all can see, I'm currently at the wrecking yard. Taurus is cooked. Came and got my stuff out of here. He about to do that real quick. But let's see if it starts.
Is it now?
Let me see.
I'm just trying to see why it's not. Because this was also, I put it on. This is already connected. This is.
Oh, there it go. Yeah. Oh. It is? It's leaking?
Right here in the front.
Because the insurance had asked me if it could still start.
Yeah, you can see right here. As soon as you started, that started pouring out.
Damn, is that oil?
Yeah.
Or my radiator fluid? I think that's oil. No, that's radiator fluid. Or transmission fluid. That shit cooked. Look like trans lines. Taurus is cooked, man. Taurus is cooked. Where did I leave my keys? What the hell? Okay. Yeah. At BSA with it, man. I was gonna make this vlog short. Like I said, this vlog is everywhere, so please excuse the footage. A lot of crazy stuff has been going on, as you can see. Got freaking smacked in the Taurus. Just was at the towing yard to take pictures for the insurance. Now I'm heading home. Now the vlog is finally over. So thank everyone for watching if you made it this far. I'm sure I clickbaited y'all. Well, it wasn't clickbait. I'm definitely posting that picture of the wreck as my thumbnail. So Y'all just stay tuned for the next video. Car content coming soon. 6'2" will be out.